Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Flagler County in northeastern Florida, southeastern St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Putnam County in northeastern Florida until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palatka, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palatka, Hastings, East Palatka, Orange Mills, Barden, San Mateo, and Espanola. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Serving Daytona.